Imagine waking up one morning to find a massive crack running through your home. That's what happened to Elliot in Jaguna, forced to dismantle his house by hand before it was lost to the earth below.
So what caused it? Well, it depends on what scientist you ask.
We're seeing a crack that in all likelihood formed over many thousands of years or hundreds of thousands of years.
Some scientists, including Ben Andrews, a geologist with the Smithsonian, believe the crack was recently exposed by a rainstorm. But he says it was created by movement of the Earth's tectonic plates, sections of the Earth's crust that move about 1 inch a year. In 50 million years, it's believed, Africa will look like this.
Pasó lo que más se temía. La falla geológica localizada en la comunidad campesina Yunto, en Chumbivilcas, Cusco, volvió a extenderse, ocasionando un desprendimiento de tierra que dejó graves daños materiales.
What is the strongest shape in a structure? Is it the circle, square, or triangle? Let's take a look at the circle. As you can see here, the circle cannot hold the notebook that is put on top of it. It collapses. Why? Because the circle does not have any support and can easily roll when weight is added on top of it. Now let's look at the square. The structure collapses right away.
With the brick on top of this structure, the connectors aren't that strong. So instead of staying up, the whole thing just flattens.
Now, let's watch the triangle.
As I apply force to the triangle, you can see that it has a lot of stiffness. No flat or triangles all stuck together. With enough structure to support the brick. Those triangles are not flattening like the parallelogram.
When the notebook is put on top of it, the structure can hold the weight. So, the triangle wins! What does this have to do with the real world? Let's take a look.
Triangles that are stiffening the structure around it has triangles all over it. As does the dock right underneath, actually. Made out of rope in tension, supporting the masts of that tall ship.
All of these bridges are made with many little triangles within them to keep the structure strong and hold the weight of the cars and trucks that go over them. The triangle is the shape that you see the most. This proves our point. The triangle is the strongest shape a structure can have.